Hey there, I'm here with Lainey, and we're going to talk about standing straddle. So with straddle, again, simple, basic posture, but there's some key elements to straddle that we want to pay attention to in order to guide our students safely and effectively in the right way, in the right postures. All right, so Lainey's in mountain pose, pretty basic, pretty standard. We've gone over mountain pose before. If you need a review, please go back and watch that video again. And when she's ready, she's exhaling, going to step her feet out to a leg length stride. Now, one way that you can help people learn what a leg length stride is to take a strap and measure from the hip all the way down to the ankle, and then set that strap down in front of them on the mat throughout the entire practice. They know exactly where their feet need to go. And physically, have each student do that for themselves. It will change how your students view their body and also save you a lot of time and effort in teaching your students, because then you don't have to go around to every single person and tell them how to lay out their footing. All right, outer edges of the feet line up with the outer edges of the mat. I see this a lot in straddle positions in Warrior 2. Once we get into a straddle, we overly press into the outer edge of the foot and end up rounding into the ankle and sitting and overstretching the ligaments and connective tissue in this part of the ankle and leg. I don't want you to do that. This is where neutral comes in. As Lainey grounds through the front two corners of the ball of her foot, and yes, the outer edge and the inner edge of the back of her foot, she's now going to imagine she's hugging her heels together like they're on a wire or they're magnets. She should also then feel the insides of her legs, even the glutes contract. It's a lot of work. Straddle is exhausting when you do it the right way. But now as a result, she has a nice long line in her ankle. She's super planted through her feet. Do you feel a lot of leg work? And she's really working hard on her legs. So if she bring her arms out to T, let's say, now she's in kind of like a star position. She can feel the ribcage anchored down. She's working to hug her legs together. Heck, this is a pose all in its own. So when we think about working in standing straddle, again, you can drop your arms. Don't just use it as a transition. Step your feet out, turn out into Warrior 2. Teach this as a foundation for any posture in this body position. Warrior 2, triangle, lateral angle. All of these positions use this footing and this blueprint, so make sure you take the time to teach the blueprint right.